what I want to highlight here in one sense is really being connected in a system-to-system type way, using collaborative solutions where many companies are working in the same solution. You've got similar view to the information. The decisions that get made or get recommended benefit the ecosystem, not one enterprise. It's not just connecting me to my supplier or me to my one customer. It's the ecosystem being connected. And I want to share with you some research here and some information from analysts, because this is pretty out there, pretty new, and it scares some people. Again, because we've got to share our information more than we're used to really achieve success here. But what we have today on the left-hand side is that we've got our data moving around in our network, and we've got our apps that sit on top. And they are distinct. We probably have a different service provider for our connectivity than we do for our solution. And then we've got analytics kind of riding on top. You might have some analytics in the apps themselves, but again, we have so many apps and they get siloed. So you're seeing the emergence of this analytics layer, okay? And you've got a little bit of what we call multi-enterprise business networking happening today. That's where we're all connected on each side, and we've got the ability to share information and to accept information from one another. And so this is where it's starting. It's going to go and be much more sophisticated, but think about, I have a shipment, I have a truck. Who's best, right? I have a warehouse. I have stuff I need to put somewhere. Who's best? This is happening, it's the Uber model. It's happening all over the supply chain right now. It happens mostly, and it starts in small and medium-sized business. It will grow. It will happen more and more, and this is what you will see. Those collaborative solutions with multi-participants in the network sharing the decision-making are going to be up here, okay? And don't take my word for it. All these smart people are agreeing and saying that this is where we're headed. I want to stress multi-enterprise business networking, right? A lot of people want to talk about EDI and how to get away from it. How many people share that thought in this room? Well, that is one of the major ways that we are connected today as large enterprise. It was hard to put in, it was expensive to put in. It's not broken, it just doesn't serve all of our needs as we want it to anymore because of the inherent technology. It's batched, it's got some latency in it and things like that. And if you don't already have EDI, it's hard to get on EDI. So you've got new partners, younger, born digital companies that say, oh, I don't want to do EDI, right? But here's what's going to happen. EDI is not going to go away. Even if you and your company decide, I would like to move away from EDI, you're already connected to hundreds of partners probably that aren't going to move at the same time you do, if ever, right? So we really have to think about being any-to-any protocol standard. It's really about what's inside the package. It's really about the information you're sending, not how you send it. So APIs are coming on strong. Little folks, they want a smartphone app or a web portal they can type into, upload, download, right? You've got to be connected to all your partners, and these multi-enterprise business network solutions are going to have the myriad of abilities to connect, to onboard.